Because if you go back in time and then you say radioactivity, when Marie Curie discovered it, at
True.
that point it was not. or
No,
even
no.
when the
She
vaccine. Yeah.
sacrificed herself in a way, Venu, if you look at it.
Yes, yes,
You
yes.
know,
That's the.
very curious. She actually sacrificed herself, giving the world invention that stayed for, it's
Yeah,
here to
that it
stay.
was applicable to practically everything that you see. And that's the crazy thing about history. It's always done in darkness. It's never in the bright light. It's only later on that people figure out that, hey, something like this is. So it's
It
wonderful
also
how.
takes a group of, sorry, it also takes a group of mavericks who will say, you know
Yeah,
what, let's try it out. It's also it's borders being
yeah,
a bit
yeah.
crazy
You have.
too, Venu, saying that why can't you do? Let's try it. So
Yeah, yeah. No, which is why I think we ought to be grateful to all the Mavericks who are asking those
oh,
questions and doing that work, because I think the progress that happens is only because some of these things. Whereas, which brings me back to when you started your career. Did you ever think that you would get to be a Maverick someday? Because it's not as if you could have, like you said, there was a point when you did the volume, uh, this thing where you were seeing a lot of patients, but then inside you, maybe something snapped, or maybe there was a certain point at which you felt, I'm seeing so much of this that I ought to do something and not just prescribe something.
I think I've always been like this.
You've always been
Because I've
okay.
always been like this because
Okay.
you know I remember when I wanted to do retina, I was actually discouraged. Uh,
Okay.
I was told, "Oh, this is a very difficult field. It's not meant for women. You can't even say those things today." But this was the words that I heard. You should do something that's a little easier. So,
Okay.
and then I even remember during my master's itself, I said, what else can I do? Here I am doing my master's in ophthalmology, but I go to England all the way to write my FRCS exams along with to see what else can I explore. Uh, so I think I've always just been like this,
Okay.
trying to see what else, where you can push boundaries. Um,
Okay.
so people like me
No, and
can't be
I'm
told you
glad.
can't do this. Maybe that's the thing.